Hey, artificial intelligence, AI, right? No, not that type of AI. Today we're going to be talking about the attorney review period in Illinois, what the seller should expect. We're going to start right now. Hey, hello, how are you? It's Anant Deoras, the Relationship Real Estate Advisor, cultivating relationships and not transactions. And today I am in beautiful San Diego at a real estate conference. One way as a professional realtor that I sharpen the knife, so to speak, is to attend conferences with other agents, network, learn the latest marketing and tech strategies. So I am broadcasting here in San Diego. So today's subject, we are talking about AI, the attorney review period in Illinois, and what the seller should expect. So at this point, both parties have agreed in principle to the contract and also an executed contract. And the buyer has tendered earnest money, and this period of time is anywhere from 5 to 7 days. And during that period, you have the opportunity, the buyer has the opportunity to conduct the inspection. Now, if you look right about here, if you remember, I created how to prepare your home by using a pre-listing inspection and how much I value that pre-listing inspection. So I really strongly suggest that you watch that video so you can understand the importance of it. So when you come to this time and the inspection takes place, obviously the anxiety level is less. You already know what to expect, and there really shouldn't be any surprises. So assuming the inspection pans out and that part of the contingency is removed, probably a nominal credit is authorized by you, the seller, or nothing is done at all because you've proactively handled everything. The next step is understanding the condo docs contingency as part of the attorney review. And the condo docs, typically 2 to 3 days after execution of the contract, the seller or the seller's representatives need to present all the bylaws, declarations, budget information for condos. Now, this is strictly for condos, over to the buyer for them to do their due diligence with their attorney. And usually, what happens is attorney review in and of itself closes out. However, the condo docs, because typically it takes a little bit longer to get all of the documents, stays open. And during this time, along with looking at the budget, the bylaws, declarations, there's something what's called a 22.1 disclosure. I know, bear with me. Some legal stuff. Don't fall asleep on me. This is extremely important. Within the 22.1, which is mandated by Illinois law and the Condo Act, the seller, or typically in this situation, it's the property manager. If there's not a property manager, it's an partial third party, fills out some basic questions asking about monthly assessments, if there's any existing special assessments, if there's future special assessments in the next 2 fiscal years, and of course, if it's situation, if your home is an association, if there's any litigation, because obviously a buyer does want to purchase a property that has current litigation. So that is usually completed in this period, just beyond the attorney review. It is completed and then filled out by your seller's attorney in a formalized document and sent over to the buyer's representative, or it can just be sent directly over from the property manager to the buyer's representative. And also during this time, usually during attorney review, your seller is going to be ordering title. A little quick refresher. I actually right here also, I talked about some common seller closing costs, and one of those closing costs was the title insurance. Free and clear title must be presented to the buyer's side within 5 days, typically, of the closing. So I hope you found understanding attorney review in Illinois, what the seller should expect. If you have any questions at all, feel free to get a hold of me. This is now the first critical part after the parties have agreed to this. Parties have agreed in the contract to closing period, which is very sorely lacking. I've found a lot of times people are talking about the pre-listing, but this is just the first step. And so I have a couple more videos to discuss. So I hope you have a great day. I'm going to go back to one of my breakout sessions here at my conference, and take care. Have a great rest of the week.